Hi, welcome to this video of Property Expert Academy. My name is Sumit. Today we are going to discuss about a very hot topic, stamp duty holiday, SLDT. So it's a very good news for the people who are looking to buy properties. So we were hoping that it's going to be 6 months holiday, but effectively speaking, the Chancellor has announced until 31st of March 2021. So technically speaking, around 8.5 months, we have basically a holiday for the stamp duty. Now, how will it impact? So basically, previously or until yesterday, the people who buys residential properties usually are exempt until a threshold of 125,000. Unless you were basically first time buyer, for those people, it was 300,000. But now what has happened is, because of this stamp duty holiday, so what new law will do is, and if you're buying a property up to 500,000, then you are exempt from that stamp duty until 31st of March 2021. Having said that, there are few laws which are still applicable under section 24. Those 3% extra stamp duty, if you're buying the second residential unit, then you are still paying. But still, I think there are a lot of property. For example, if you're buying a property for £499,099, until then, of course, still there is a huge amount of stamp duty that you may end up paying, even if you're buying, as a first-time buyer or as an investor. But it's a significant saving. I mean, what that means is, for a property investor is, you can buy the property up to that threshold of £500,000, which have less overhead, so you may be able to do more flips as an investor. If you're first-time buyer, then I think I can understand. If you are in London, it could be it's still not a great thing, because some areas you can easily find a house, family house, about 500 or less, but then not in all the areas. But certainly if you're outside London, then this really makes a huge difference, because you can certainly buy a decent quality of house for £500,000. Now again, there may be different types of arrangement, where if you're buying property in company name or as an investor, same thing applies, but then again you will still pay 3% extra stamp duty, even if you're buying in a company name, whether it's a first time property that you're buying in a company name. So going forward, the government wants basically to encourage the housing market, because housing market plays a significant role in our economy. And the research was showing that in last month, in May 2020, there was a house price transaction which fell by nearly 50%, which is a huge downside. And of course, government has to come with a lot of this incentive or the support, so that they can really get this housing market to survive. And government needs to come with all of these ideas to help the housing market to grow, and also support this label, because a lot of other businesses are also depends on housing market, construction industries, directly or indirectly, with real estate. We also explain many things about how you can really make your property portfolio tax efficient and most profitable in our 3 days of workshop. So in case if you are interested in joining one of our workshop, you can find our website link below on this description. You can approach us, and if you have any question, feel free to write to us by email, or even you can leave in the comment section your questions. We will keep making videos like this, so be sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our new contents. And also, so you can leave the comments below which next topic you would like to hear, because we'll be making regular videos like this. So we will be picking up based on the comments what most of the people like to hear from us, and we'll be making a video on that topic. So until then, stay safe and you take care. We'll see you next time.